In this lecture, we're going to learn how to use VMware Unlocker to get macOS loaded into VMware. So first, we're going to go to the repository that hosts VMware Unlocker. It is a project that unlocks macOS abilities on any version of VMware, including for Linux or Windows. So as you see here, it's under the PAOLO-projects/unlocker. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the releases section, right click, save link as, go to my desktop and save it there. Now I'm going to go into my downloads folder for this project, drag it into there, and delete the other file. Empty recycle bin. I'm going to close out of the browser. I'm going to use 7-zip to extract the file. Show more options. 7-zip, extract. And I'm going to look for the win-installed command file. Right click it, run as administrator, and click the yes button. As you see now, the script will unlock VMware Workstation or Player on Microsoft Windows to run macOS. Right now it's trying to get the VMware tools for macOS. And there, you have now unlocked VMware to actually run macOS. So what happened here as I downloaded macOS online, I am not going to show you the location. Please find it or generate an ISO on your own. And what I'm going to do is go to search VMware and open my copy of VMware. I'm going to start by creating a new virtual machine. And I created a folder here to hold the VM. Custom. Next. Install the OS later. Apple macOS. Change it to, I believe the current version is 14. Set the title. I'm going to say 2 processors or 1 processor. 4 cores per processor. Give it 8 gigabytes of memory. Use NAT networking. LSI logic SCSI controller. Use a SATA virtual disk type. Create a new virtual disk, 128.0. Store as a single file. Click Next. Next. Customize the hardware. I'm going to make sure everything's good here. I'm going to say use ISO image. Use the macOS ISO. Check everything one more time. Do not share Bluetooth devices with virtual machine under USB controller. And click close and click finish. As you see here, I created the virtual machine. I'm going to click power on this virtual machine. And shortly thereafter, you should see it starting. So in this lecture, you have learned how to unlock VMware Workstation to use the macOS ISO for a potential install inside a virtual machine.